How to fix ad mention option not showing on Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your Instagram application, as this might help you fix your issue. And if the issue is still not fixed, then open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and make sure you are not using a business or professional account. And if yes, then go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the switch account type option you see there under the For Professionals and Tools tab. So simply tap on the account type and tools option there and you will see the option for switch account type. Go ahead and switch your account type and see if your issue is fixed or not. You can try to check story and then tap on stickers and see if you have the sticker option there. If not, then you can go ahead and try to log yourself out of Instagram and then log back in, as doing this will refresh your story sticker options. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and delete your app. Once deleted, reinstall the app from your app store, as this will reset all sticker features. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go to the interface from where you can add story on Instagram and further take a random snap or simply open a picture in which you want to add stickers, and now tap on the sticker icon on top of your screen and then search for the mention option there. And if the option is still missing, then you can simply go back and tap on the story interface and the keyboard will appear. So go ahead and simply tap at the red and then go ahead and search or type in the name of the individual that you are looking forward to tag, and with this you will see the tagged option. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can go ahead and try to see if that fixes your issue, or if not, then simply in settings again tap on the general option and then tap on the software update option. Make sure your iPhone is updated to a latest version in order for apps to perform smoothly. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can simply wait for 24 hours, as sometimes the Instagram server might be down, leading to this particular issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram ad mention option not showing on Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.